Mayong gabi sa tanan. First game. Live ko ah. First game. Save More si Live versus Price Gas. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Di nang bulang, dahil. Live kita subong sa Elena covered court. Steal for Save More still live. Oop, oop. Mabuyan pa. Uy! Out of bounds. Nabuyan, good man. Ball for Price Gas. Tres, wala. Rebound for Price Gas. Basket. 2-0 para sa Price Gas.
Number 0 basket, good for 2.
Save More si live ball.
Shot clock 15.
Oops. There's a foul.
Foul number 4. First personal foul. First team foul.
Number 21, Castro on the free throw line. First attempt, basket. Second attempt, basket again. Wallace dos. Shout out the comment. Libre shout out. Ball for Price Gas.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Nice pass.
9.
Short. Rebound for Price Gas. Another try. Wala. Rebound for Save More. Silay. Gadalagan. Castro nagbunggo. There's a foul.
Foul number 0. First personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock 19 seconds. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8. 7.
Rebound for Price Gas. Lumasinggit ay si Mami, oh. Oh. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 5.
Diga,
First personal foul. First team foul.
Baw ah. Watch out kuno third quarter may matwork. Wallace dos ang score. Nabuyan seal for Save More Silay. Castro, Gadalagan, rebound.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10.
Tres. Short. Rebound for Price Gas. Nice pass. Oop, nabuyan. There's a foul.
Foul number 5. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Shout out da sa tanan nga galantaw. Please comment, like, share, and follow. Pikachu.
Star.
Why kita da? First attempt, basket.
Why kita da star?
Second attempt. Basket again. 4-2 para sa Price Gas. 4-2 ang score.
4-4-2 in favor of Price Gas. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Palawan. Game pass out of bounds.
Shot clock 11 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Tumira short. Nice save by Price Gas. Gadalagan. Number 0. Umatake. A Kalabaw. So it's set. Basket.
Number 0, basket. Good for 2.
6-2 ang score. Good evening, Madam Pikachu. Shout out Elmar Peñafiel. Shout out,
There's a
shout
foul.
out. Negros
Foul
Me
number 3.
exclusive. Thank you so much sa 75 stars. Pa-shout out Family Pantaleon and Gitche and Lloyd Pantaleon. Halin kay Lloyd Pantaleon, Gitche. Thank you so much sa 75 stars, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Halin pa na ba kulod? Bumalik lang na. Basket. Thank you, good sir Lloyd Gitche para sa 75 stars. Thank you, thank you, thank you, good. Shout out daw sa tanan nga galanta. Shout out Family Pantaleon and Gitche family. Thank you, good. Uy, bawa! Aw, sorry ka, kadala ko sa emotions. Good evening, Mads! Good luck sa game, boss. Hindi ko kampang high overtime ka na naman. Basket for prize gas.
Basket. Good for 2.
Shout out Alfred Lumaba. Shout out.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Ball for Save More. Short. Rebound for Price Gas.
Score 8-3 in favor of Price Gas.
Mayang gabi, madam. Mayang gabi, Jonggi Rubio. See you later.
Number 3, basket. Good for 2.
I scored 10-3. Ay, pila? 10-3.
Shot clock 14.
10-3 for Price Gas. Bam! Wala. Rebound for Price Gas. Nice pass. Awas pa. Isa pagid. Wala. Traveling violation.
Time out. Save more.
Time out for Save More and score 10-3 first quarter. Time remaining 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Time out for Save More. Pa-shout out kay Ta Edna Voluntate kag Honilyn Tijing halin kay Alfred Lumabang. Thank you so much sa 75 stars. Madam Ogid nga salamat. Kagawad, thank you, thank you, thank you. Overtime ka pa, Japon?
Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ball for Save More. Silay. Romeo, umatake na buyan.
Shot clock 13
Save
seconds.
More ball.
Shot clock 10. 9.
Uy, short.
8,
Isa pa, wala.
7,
Rebound
6,
for Save More.
5.
Oop,
4.
nakapal. Steal 4. Price cap. Magulang abot man. Boss overtime naman. Ahay. Uy, isa pagid. Ball for Price gas sa gihapon. Natapal. Na-steal. Ato na.
Shot clock
Ball
10.
for Price gas pa rin. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds.
Remaining time 4 minutes.
Ball for Save More. Let's touch ulit. Ball for Price Gas. Nice pass. Tres. Bam! 3 points ang score. 13-3 para sa Price Gas. Shout out na sa tanan kagalantaw.
Score 13-3 in favor of Price Gas.
Uy, umatake.
Number
Basket.
8, basket. Good for 2.
Lumusot sa tunga. 13-5 ang score. 13-5 para sa Price Gas. Oop! Uy, tapal! Save by Save More. Silay. Oop! There's a fake. Rebound. Oop! Tres. Bam!
Number 4,
3 points
three
again
points.
for number 4.
Remaining
16-5
time, 2
ang
minutes and
score.
50
Romeo
seconds.
umatake. Foul basket.
Foul basket.
Idolichi Aradam. Yes, Arasa. Ari di sa ga coach.
Number 8, first personal foul.
Score 16-7 for Price Gas. Up. Loose ball violation. Ay, ano to? Ball para sa Price Gas. 16-7 ang score.
Shot clock 15.
Oh, there's a foul.
Offensive foul. Sino foul, right?
Madam, daw isang ara na, duwa.
Number 28, first personal foul.
Ato so. Ano na quarter? First quarter pa lang. 16-7 ang score. Romeo umatake. Wala. Rebound. 4.
Shot
Save
clock
more.
14.
Nakadus mo ba? Rebound. Rebound up. Last touch.
Remaining time, 2 minutes.
Para gali. Shout out sa Coach Lionel Medalla. Shout out, boss. Good evening. Good evening. Oh! Salamat kayo nga kapakwara ah. Uy! Hinay lang. 16-7 ang score. Uy! Still. Up.
Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Hindi naman. Hindi ako malagyan. Uy, tuwid-tuwid. Ay, rin na tadigali, oh. Kabos! Ball for save more. Rebound out of bounds. Shouts out, cute boys photography.
Out for Rice Gun.
Time out for Price Gas. Shout out, cute boys photography. Hali kay Francis
Remaining
sa
time,
board.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Score 16-7.
Shout out, cute
In
boys
favor
photography.
of
Ara sila
Rice
gali, oh.
Gun.
Bago na, ton nga mga managpitik. Cute boys photography. Shout out, shout out. Time out for Price Gas. Ikaw, gumayin siya. May pagod. Nagpait na ni Karon kay nahulo. Mana sa partiso. Ay. Wag na siya ka. Speaker ko. Hop. Dumatres. Oy, nabuyan. Pirte mag-agawang gamay, oh.
Ay na, ano ba ka po?
Nabuyan ba? Nan. Dayon, nag-lay up, wala.
1 minute remaining time.
Why pas daddy?
1 minute remaining time.
Why pas daddy? 1 minute remaining on our first quarter. Oop. Siko.
Offensive foul number 30.
Pila. First.
Number 30, first personal foul. 55 seconds remaining time.
55 seconds remaining on our
15.
first quarter. 16-7
Shot
ang
clock
score.
15 seconds.
For Price Gas, 3 points. Wala. Rebound. 4. Price Gas.
40 seconds.
Uy! Wala. Rebound again. 4.
35 seconds.
Nice pass. Basket.
30 seconds.
16-9 ang score. 25.
20 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10.
3 points. Wala. Rebound.
10 seconds remaining time.
Mga mga pulis eh. Huwag ko
Foul number 21. Penalty.
Sir, kapos ako, sir.
Remaining time 10 seconds.
Nadlook isa.
Uy, natusumay.
Nauli, hita mo. Ha?
Thank you.
9,
Bang!
8, 7,
Uy!
6, 5,
Maga sa kontra.
4, 3,
Uy! Ay, dali lang. Ay, lang. 2 seconds na lang.
2 seconds remaining time. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty, penalty. Penalty, penalty. Ano to?
Penalty, penalty.
Na. Lampos ba? Number 28 on the free throw line. First attempt, wala. Second attempt. Wala.
1 time.
Time. End of our first
And
quarter.
first quarter score 16-9 in favor of Rice Gas.
69 ang atong final score for the first quarter. Abanse ang Price Gas. 69 for Price Gas. End of our first quarter. MP Light na wa. MP Light. Shout out da sa aton nga mga manok titik. Radyo. Thank you, Lord. Pudag-pudag. Pudag-pudag, day. Beautiful. Tayo. Wow, kuya, akong sticker. Ay. Second quarter.
Oh, pilih nama Raisa.
Nangi pa? Ngi, pa ko no, sir? Ang nangihi ko no. Ano na? Maklin ako din. Second quarter, 69 I score. Ooh! Steal, 4, save more. 69 ang score. 3 points! Wala short. Hoop. Rebound for Save More Steal. For Price Gas. Uy! Price Gas. Yung pa sa liwan.
Shot clock 14.
And
10, 9, 8, 7.
short. Ball for Save More. Another steal by Price Gas. Shout out kay Michael Ilagan sa Save More. Madam, shout out rin kay Kent Justin Donguines. And still, there's a foul.
Foul number 0, second personal foul. First team foul.
Ball para sa Save More sila. Tres. Rebound for Price Gas. Gadalagan, gadalagan, gadalagan. Nice pass! Isa pa game pasa. Oh, traveling violation. Ball para sa Save More. 16-9 ang score sa gihapon. Oop! Oh, steal again. Timira, wala short. Oh, lang sa persa. Nice pass. Oop! Basket.
Number 0, basket, good for 2.
18-9 ang score. 18-9 para sa Price Gas.
Shot clock 14.
Oh, why eh? Duka, wala. Rebound for Price Gas.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Uy! Basket.
Number 26, basket, good for 2.
29 ang score.
29
29.
in favor of Price Gas. Shot clock 14.
Tumira for 3. Wala. Rebound for Price Gas. Oop. Pinasa again. There's
Shot
a
clock 16 seconds.
out of bounds. Second quarter kita, 29 ang score para sa Price Gas. Limpasan to number 11. Number 11, Tumira, wala. Rebound for Save More, out of bounds. Uy! May kalusot yan ba? Wala awas.
Hindi awas, kabus. Nagikak sa mga
Ano ba? Malas ka tira ba? Ball for Price Gas, number
Shot
10.
clock 13.
Umatake, game pasa for 3. Wala. Rebound by number, ano na sa? 0. Pinasa ka number 1.
Number
Basket.
1, basket, good for 2.
20-11.
20-11.
Uy,
In
ano ba
favor
yan?
of Price Gas.
Shout out Bidam, shout out Ron and Playo, Camelista, shout out.
Shot clock 12.
Oop,
10, 9,
wala tumba,
8,
no?
7, 6.
Short, out of bounds. 20-11 ang score. Duraan nyo na lang bisa tupad nyo ibutang. Bow na lamang.
Shot clock 14.
Bam, wala. Rebound for
6
Price
minutes
Gas.
to remaining time.
26, umatake. There's a foul. Basket.
Foul number 15.
Pangita, kaninil palma. Dam nga man naman sa sakon.
Number 15, first personal foul.
22-11 ang score. Ari ko na ton sa Elena. 22-11 para sa Price Gas. Wala. Out of bounds. Time out? Oo. No! Na-miss ka kuno dam pag inugay da.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5.
Alang-alang, tira. Ball for prize gas. Doon na po na ang number 18. Lay up for number 10.
Number
Basket.
10 basket, good for 2.
24-11 ang score. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 18. Number 18, first personal foul.
24-11 ang score. Ang baya kagina pa kondisyon sa ano? Hindi ako number 1 on the free throw line. Short. Uy, prayer saw.
Hindi mo pero sa atin kasi. Tapos ko binibigay ko.
Ano, shortly what? Machat lang nasa karon sa imo dam ikaw pala blabya ka tudaan. Baw nag issue ka naman ron nugay ka da. Pareho sila ka number 1 na hapo.
Shot clock
Gani
14
short ka
seconds.
yung tira. Issue ka ron nugay ka da. Basket.
Number 10 basket, good for 2. Score 26-11. Favor of Rice Glass.
Nabalik mo. Steal and steal again for Save More by Canicola. Tres! Tiko.
Kundi kulang sobra. Ang kulang at
Tiko. Ball for Price Gas. Uy!
Number 18
Bantay.
basket, good for 2.
Ang score!
Save More.
28-11 na. For Price Gas. Wala to. Uy, may kabantay. 28-11 ang score in favor of Price Gas. Time out para sa Save More. Time 4 minutes 20. Grabe, ratsada ka mga teams ba from 3D Lopez the third. Ay, may kapangakik nagali ko no dam sa imo, ha ha ha. Ginaloy iban mo sa kuno dam mo, balya sa ako. Issue ang saban. Wala na yan may kapangakik sa akon.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Up.
Foul number 11. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Foul
Shot clock
for
14
number
seconds.
11. Basket. Number
1 basket, good for 2.
Number 1. 28-13 ang score. Uy, nabuyan. Oh. Out of bounds. 28-13 ang score para sa Price Gas. Ball for Save More sila. Lychee for 3. Basket. Sige na, bal mo kita po date na kilig-kilig naman si Neil. Ay, ang boots. Tsura ka kilig. Oh!
Shot clock 16.
Tsura ka kilig na, Naya. 28-16 ang score para sa Price Gas. Oh! Traveling
3
violence.
minutes remaining time.
3 minutes remaining on our second quarter. 28-16 ang score. And still, for Save More sila, there's a foul basket. 28-18.
Time out for Rice Gas.
Timeout for Price Gas.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
2 minutes.
28-18 in favor of for Rice Gas.
2 minutes 48 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Ang score 28-18 para sa Price Gas. Takang pagada.
Sunday ako ng mo lang wangit.
Basket.
Ako na siya.
Uy! Ay! Rebound. Rebound.
Shot
Ball
clock
for
13
Price Gas.
seconds.
Managisyo kagad yaron niya.
Shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Wow!
Number 10 basket, good for 2.
30-19 ang score for Price Gas. 30-19.
2 minutes remaining time.
Say more. Kumata kay wala ka Nicola. Another try. Basket. Submit pa sa... Oh, there's a traveling.
Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds.
1 minute 50 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Oop, oop, oop. Out of bounds. Oop. Oop. Ball for Price Gas. 30-21 ang score. Oop. Steal for Save More. Sila number 0 pinasa kay Canicula. Rinsilo sa piyak. Another one. Wala again. Ball for Price Gas. Sadya mo sila sa dalom. Nice pass. Wala pa. Oop, wow. Ball for Save More. Yan pa sa liwat kay Canicula. Oop.
There's a foul. Foul number 26.
30-21 ang
Number
score for
26,
Price Gas.
second personal foul. Fourth team foul.
30-21 ang score. Canicula number 15 on the free throw line for Save More Silay. First attempt. Basket. Hindi ka palak pa. Another one for Save More
1 minute remaining time.
Silay. 23-30 na ang score. 7 na lang ang abanse sa Price Gas. Wala out ang Save More Silay. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 18. Number 18, second personal
Uy,
foul.
there's a foul.
Foul number 1. Number 1 first personal foul. Fourth team foul.
4 na 4.
Remaining time 52 seconds.
Oh, wala pa penalty. First attempt, basket. 31-23 para sa Price Gas. Second attempt for number 18. Wala, out of bounds. Ball
50 seconds
for
remaining time.
Price Gas. Palawan ka, Brucey. Next game. 31-23 ang score. 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Go.
45
Pagpagid
seconds.
sa hangin. Yung kag magsipa. There's a foul. Ito mo to.
Daw gabalik. Boy.
Foul number 0. Remaining time 40 seconds. Number 0, third personal foul, penalty.
Bet ka na lang. Basket. 24-31. Second throw, wala. Rebound for Price Gas.
35 seconds.
Number 10.
Shot clock 15.
Tres. Bam!
25
3
seconds.
points.
20
34-24 ang
Shot
score.
clock 14.
Out of bounds. Kick ball.
16 seconds remaining time.
16 minutes. 16 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Uy! Wala pa. Rebound.
10.
Oh. Ball.
10 seconds remaining time.
Save more sa Silay. 10 seconds remaining.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Tres.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time.
And the second quarter score 34-24 in favor of Price Gas.
34-24 ang ating score. Second quarter. I'd like to take this opportunity to give thanks to our sponsors. Thank you so much, Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Councilor Mike Marvilla, Cap Remy Roldan of Barangay Balarig, Otsoy's Grill, Punong Garis, The Yard, Pintok Arts, Gaston Tattoo, and most especially to Sir Paolo Chonco of Team Paolo Chonco Organization. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys sa pag-support sa Ballers League. Thank you. Shout out da sa aton mga live viewers. Wala ta pa sound. Where's Sir Callen? Sige ba? Sige ba? Oh, pili. Pili si Team Captain Lichi. Mapili players.
Drew. Teka gina Drew.
Ito pinuti mo da ko
Teka
na.
gina Drew, Drew mo japo. Eh third.
Hindi na karon na so ako na.
Sila? Pagko sila nga 5.
Oo. Ate, pili ka mo, guro. Pili ka mo. Number 0, guro. Nakampang na ako. Number 0.
Ano mo sa tayo na muna?
Sakto man ah. 24-34 ang score. Kaya ko lang players. Kaya wala dapat dapat 5-5 big kada lain-lain kada quarter. Pasaril mo.
Okay.
24-34 ang score. May lang kung sub-sub. Lain gapon gani. Balareng 5 ng players sa first to fourth quarter lang lain kapit kapoy mo. Ball for Price Gas.
Ako, day, ano lang.
Pila lang ka punto sa bansi. Wala, short. Isa pa.
Number
Basket.
3 basket, good for 2.
24-36. Save more ball. Number 3. Game. Oy! Game pass sa kay number 8. Traveling.
Traveling.
Violation. Third quarter na kita. 24-36. Ball for Price Gas. Game pass out to number 26.
Shot clock 14.
To number 3, Harder. One hand. Save more ball. Number 16. Ay, number 13. Umatake.
Number 13
Basket.
basket, good for 2.
36-26. Third quarter in favor of Price Gas. Uy! Basket.
Number 26 basket, good for 2.
26-38.
Score 26-38 in favor of Rice Gas.
Shout out da sa aton mga live viewers. 3 ay kulang.
Team Coupon.
Long 2 para kay Lichi. 28-38 ang score. There's a foul.
Foul number 8. First personal foul. First team foul.
Ano, pagdadisyon.
0-0. Game pass kay number 3. Wala. Rebound. Isa pa. Basket.
Number 26.
Malusot sa
Basket,
dalawa.
good for
28-40
2.
ang score. 28-40. Game pass to number 23. To number 26.
Shot clock 15. Shot
Pangita
clock 12.
pasahan. To
10.
number 0.
9.
To number 3. Wala short. Still. Rebound 4. Save more sila. Game pass kay number 8. Uy! Sumide step. Wala. Rebound 4. Price gas. Natapal. Steal by Save more. Still again for Price gas.
Hindi ka kadalagan.
Kapoy na, kapoy na.
15.
Nagkakabalak yun. Kapoy na lang. Ball for number 13. Umatake. Uy!
Struggling.
Ako sa amiga ko. Ay,
Time out.
ikaw itong ilagal kidong. Hindi Hindi nakakita.
Time out. Look where. Save more.
Lupwes man. Hindi na lupwes man. Time out for Save More Silay. Lupwes man ako sa lupwes. Parito sa Save More. Layo nang nakatuan mo.
Hina ba lang po? Look, where's the mama?
Ako, kadalagan.
Wala. Balag talaga ko mo. Kadto na lupwes.
Kaya
28-40 ang score kapi ka. Alin first quarter da. Nawala pa sa first quarter na.
Nay, kaya na Hindi naman.
Shot clock 15.
Yung pili pa sa second ha. Wala, good. Ball for number 08, kadalagan, halaha, haruga, isa pa, follow up, 5 number
Number
13.
13. Basket, good for 2.
30-40 ang score. 30-40. Uy! There's a foul.
Foul number 8. Foul number 13.
30-40 ang score. Pulo
Number
Abansi.
13, first personal
Sam
foul.
Price gas. 26 on the free throw line. Wala umawas.
4-40-13 in favor of Rice Gas.
Kabal. Basket. Second attempt. Basket for number
6
20.
minutes remaining time.
Para sa Price gas. 30-41 ang score. Uy! Rebound for... Uy! There's a foul.
Kaya pa. Hindi naman yung first na
Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Pasaril. Number 0 to number 3. Tumira, wala. Rebound again.
Shot clock 14.
For Price gas. To number 0 again. Up. 3 seconds violation. Ginagulpi mo kami, rep.
Time out for Price Gas.
Time out for Price Gas. Kita ako, di kililis ako. Time out for Price Gas. First to third quarter na sa balik. 5:14.
5 minutes and 14 seconds na nga.
Kita ako.
Dito yung makitaping.
Gawakal-wakal. Shout out dahil sa mga galantos ang atin live coverage of the Ballers League game. Ang hampang subong Price Gas versus Save More si live. Game pass sa akin number 3 to number 0 to number 3 again.
14.
To number 4 wala rebound idol number 0 05. Gamay lang bala po gaagaw bulay. Uy! Out of bounds.
May depende sa Save
Bala. Hindi na akong ka-comment. Bala na ako. Bala na akong sino. Kadlo-todlo, loin. Ay, kutang. Ay,
manifest na yan naman.
kutang sa'yo bala.
16 shot clock. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8.
Up.
Illegal screen.
Ay, okay.
Number 3.
Illegal screen for number 3.
Number 3.
30-41 ang score. 30-41. 3 points for number 18. Wala rebound. Para sa number 26.
Remaining time 4 minutes.
Tawaan niya, tawaan. Number 18. Oop. Pinatay! Basket for number 0.
Basket, good for 2.
30-43 ang score. Oop. Still for Price Gas to number 0. Oh, wala pa. Isa pa. Wala pa, gid. Iyaman yapon.
14. Shot clock 10.
Gawala lang na
9. 8. 7. Remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Lychee basket.
Time out for Price Gas.
Pila to?
Number 18, 3 points.
Number 18 for 3. 33-43 ang score. Time out for Price Gas. Liwat? Price Gas liwat? Para naman daw ko. Tanga naman daw. Kitaon ka na bilang. 33-43 ang score. 33-43. Time remaining 3 minutes on our third quarter. Puro tres ba?
Ako, di na subong.
Kita ako yung nagihapon. Bala. Lain-lain yung siya yung.
Galay mo. Go number 5.
33-43 ang score. 3 minutes remaining on our third quarter. Patuloy mo yung number 3 oh.
Number 5 kuya
Sugid kayo daddy ah. Mayang gabi, madam. Shout out, Chay Osorio Villarias. Thank you so much for watching. You're always watching sa akong live. 4-3, wala. Tara na. Oh! Steal. Number 26. And steal for number 3. Ara si Daday. Pinasa.
Uy!
Number
Basket.
8, basket, good for 2.
Assist na lang si Dad sa mga. 35-43 ang score. And steal for Save More. Number 13, basket.
Number 13, basket, good for 2.
Galaot. Stepping on the line. 37-43. 37-43 ang score. 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Nice pass, tapal!
2 minutes remaining time.
30 and still for Save More. Uy! Saba, basket.
Number 13, basket, good for 2.
Go SMC Laila at Aflam Lorchi Lastimosa.
For Rice Guys.
43-39 na score. Galigid for 3. Wala, rebound for Save More. 39-43 ang score na agaw. 39-43.
Time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Hi, Madam Beauty. Good evening. Kapoy na. 39-43 ang score.
Mga idol, kung ginakapoyaw.
Number 13, kadalasang bola for 3. Bam! Wala. Out of bounds.
Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds.
1 minute, 10 seconds remaining. Ball for Price Gas. Ang score, 39-43. Galaot, Save More, Silay. 39-43 ang score.
1 minute.
1 minute remaining on our third quarter.
12. 10. 9.
Number 3. Oy! Wala.
15 seconds.
Rebound for Ligayan. Number 2. Number 18. There's a foul. Wise.
Number 4, second personal foul.
Wise. Number 18.
Remaining time 46 seconds.
Oh, number 5. Ay, sorry. Sana lang yun. Sana lang
Post
yun.
ko na lang ni Karon Sino.
Sana lang yun.
First attempt, wala. Ano dahil?
Himuon na kay Kapito, karon.
Sabi ko dusis.
Kay Kadusi kasi.
Oh.
Abo.
Number 18 again on the free throw line. Basket. 40-43. Tatlo na lang.
42 seconds.
40-43 ang score sa Elena nga court na madam. Yes. Ari kami sa Elena covered court.
40 seconds.
40 seconds remaining. Nice pass to number 13. Wala. Rebound for
25.
number 3. There's a foul. Basket.
Basket.
45-40 ang score.
Foul number 8. Second personal foul.
40-45 ang score.
Remaining time 32 seconds.
Wala. Out of bounds.
30 seconds.
40-45 ang score. Galaot ang Save More Silay. 5 na lang.
25 seconds. Shot clock 18.
3 points. Wala. Short.
20 seconds remaining time. 15. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
End of our third quarter.
And the third quarter score
40-45 ang score. Yung saksakan. Ang saksakan din.
tamad.
Miss ko na mo. Ano sa?
Tignan din lang. Ikaw, balong mo sa mga. Ikaw, hindi ay.
Yes, you're a Barbie girl. 5 na lang malaot nyo na kaya na. Yes, 40-45 ang atong score. Ara? Dali lang, rep.
Game na yun ah.
Uy, nagawala. Type sa video.
Shut the fuck up.
Rep, points sa rep. Rep. I-direct na din.
Mga singitan na.
Dali lang, get guys. Sorry. Out of bounds. Hindi, let me saksak. Since kasi wala power ang saksakan. Dali sa piyak ko. Dali sa piyak ba lang? 40-48 na ang score. Sorry, get.
Bote ako.
Sir Kalim din. Sir Kalim din. Hoy, sabtan ako Sir Kalim din. Wow.
15 shot clock.
Ball for Press Ginsa.
9 minutes remaining time.
Siya to? Kasapatos?
Oo. Ay, nakano sa siya.
Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8.
Down!
Number 10, 3 points.
40. Pila na ang score? 40-51 na. Nagdako ang avances ang Price
Foul
Gas.
number 20.
Sub.
Stop.
Okay? Okay lang. Sis. Picture na ganit.
Number 30, basket, good for 2.
Kapoy ka.
4-51-42 in favor of Rice Gas.
42-51 ang score for Price Gas. Number 10 for 3
Number
basket.
10, 3 points.
42-54. To number 15. Pinasa to number 6. There's a foul.
Foul number 20. Number 28, third personal foul, second team foul.
Number 6 on the free throw line. First attempt, basket. 43-54 ang score. Second attempt, basket again. 44-54.
Warning, jersey number 34, Save More.
Foul number 11, second
Foul number
motion.
11.
Warning, second motion for number 30. For 3! Short. Out of bounds. 44-54 ang score for Price Gas. Ya, wala pong dugis. Up, up, up. Sabi. Una TL, una TL. 54-44 para sa price gas. Uy!
Offensive foul
Number ano rep? 0.
number 0, first personal foul.
Ay, may sa'yo.
Shot clock 15.
To number 26.
Shot clock 11. 10. 9.
Rebound ni lumpat ni Kanikula. Basket for number 11.
Good for 2.
Oh, tayo pa lumpat ko ni Kula yung lupundo sa hangin yaw.
Parang pundo sa akin.
May sipa pa baladala si Sao.
Shot clock 12.
3 basket for Kanikula.
Number 15, 3 points.
47-56. Number 11 for 3. Wala. Rebound. 4. Save more. 47-56 ang score. Fourth quarter kita. 7 minutes.
Remaining time, 7 minutes.
Basket, wala. 3 points, wala. Oop. Aagaw pa. Ball for save more. Umatake, pasa. Oop. Foul.
Foul number 28. Number 28. Fourth personal foul.
Fourth na sa.
Fourth team foul.
Basket for number 22. 48-56. Violation. $48.56 ang score para
Remaining
sa
time,
price
6 minutes
cash.
and 40 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10.
Nabuyan. Oh! Hindi kapal ba?
Time out. Save more.
Time out for Save More. Ang score 48-56 in favor of price gas. Ano, Diyos nito mo? Okay, bubble.
Uy, why not?
Ayaw palang kinala. Eh. I'll be right back.
Shot clock 15. Number 18, basket, good for 2. Number 15, 3 15 second personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time 5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Ako na. Wala kami katingog ba? Basket for number 3. Steal for Price Gas. To number 3 again. Lord na, budlay ba? Basket. 53-61. Hala ka. 53-61. 5 minutes remaining on our fourth quarter.
Stop. Number 6.
Loads.
26.
Hala, loads.
Penalty.
Penalty rep.
Number 26.
Third.
Number 26. Third personal foul.
Sa lulong.
4 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 na. 5 ah. Hindi ko nakapang-hit na.
Foul number 11.
Mahirap pa kung malibot ka lang. Ay, ito. Magabagin.
Number 0.
Number 11. Third personal foul. Time out for Rice Gas.
Time out for Price Gas.
Score 61-55 in favor of Rice Gas. Remaining time 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Remaining time 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
Ball for Price Gas. 26 to number 10. Wala, rebound for Price Gas to number 18. Foul basket.
Foul number 15. Number 15. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Tawag sa kanya. Hindi ko sa mga paplasan. Basket.
Tres nila ha. Challenge.
15 for 3. 58-64. Ano na lang, out of bounds. A nice save for Price Gas. Number 10, basket.
Number 10, basket. Good for 2.
66-58, walo. 66-58 para sa Price Gas. Walo ba? To number 18, to number 15 for 3 again. Wala, rebound.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
Sama lang, Sindro.
Foul number 26. Number 26, fourth personal foul.
Wala? Mulai? Shot?
Remaining time 4 minutes.
Go number 0.
Uy! Lako. Inako pa. Pusa.
Number 15, 3-5.
Uy!
Remaining time 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 1 basket, good for 2. Score 66-64 in
Uy!
favor of
Uy!
Rice Gas. Foul number 1. Number 1, second personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Idol ko na.
Bertahan.
Sa live, idol ko na.
Gan. Idol ko na sa live.
Shot clock 14.
Uy, tapal!
3 minutes remaining time.
64-66 ang score para sa Price Gas.
Foul basket.
Foul basket, Wallace.
Foul number 26.
Wallace 66 na.
Number 26, white foul.
Kuya.
Wallace 66. Ilawag lang.
Sila nga doon. Number 26. Graduate.
Sala ka naman. Sala ka naman. Wallace 66, number 15, Canicola on the free throw line. Basket. Abanse pa ang Save More Silay.
Shot clock 16.
Uy! Rebound. Far. Save More. Uy! Uy!
Foul number 0.
67-66 ang score. Yan, ano ka na sa soft drinks para pili.
Time out. Save more.
67-66 ang score. Abanse ng Save More sila.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 27 seconds.
Grabe, nangihi na ko. Ano siya? Ano ba?
Pangilit na ba, di ba?
Ako din di malas.
Hindi pangilit ba talaga, di malas kasi.
Look, save more and time out.
May bigagba si, may bigagba pa sa doon si, o din, balang Snow White, model.
Ay, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. 2 minutes, 27 seconds. Yawan sa kahula.
Pagkaon ko din ay ako.
Ano? Balang di magsulo. Go Team SM Silay. Baka pa kaya nyo na. From Lord G. Lastimoso. Uy! Number 10 on the free throw line.
From your father, Henry C. Henry C. Ano yun? Junior.
Last row for number 10. 66-67, isa avance. And Wallace, 67, both teams.
Score 67 all. Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining on our fourth
Shot
quarter.
clock 14.
Wala.
Isa pa ka kung nag-iwi.
Shot like him.
Last 2 minutes.
Nice pass. Oy! There's a foul. Wallace, 67, a score.
Foul number 0.
2 minutes remaining.
Both teams penalty.
Both teams on penalty. Number 18 on the free throw line for Price Gas. First attempt, short.
Short circuit.
Short circuit.
Second attempt, basket. Abansi na ang Price Gas sa liwat. Isa. Number 18, gadalas ang bola.
Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds. Shot clock 14.
15 for 3. Wala. Isa pa. Uy. Basket.
1 minute
number
and 40 seconds
Up.
remaining.
Kickball. Grabe nga pakaligid ni Lichio.
Score 69-68 in favor of Save More.
69-68.
Maninigo ang style na pilibay na ko.
May na ganang ihi.
Shot clock 16.
Wait, hindi ko na rin. For 3, wala. Rebound for number 15.
Remaining time 1 minute and
68-69 para sa
25
Save
seconds.
More. Ooh, there's a foul.
Foul
68.
number 4. Number 4, third personal foul.
Ay, so dito kung sa plus ron difference. 68-69 para
Remaining
sa Save
time 1
More.
minute and 22 seconds.
Nicola, number 15, on the free throw line for Save More. First attempt, basket. 70-68.
70-68 in favor of Save More.
70-68 ang score. Second attempt. Basket again for Nicola. 71-68. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute 20. Uy, nice pass. Wala, short. Isa pa. Basket.
1 minute and 10 seconds remaining.
70-71. Wala pa. 70-7.
1 minute.
1 minute remaining on our fourth quarter.
15.
Fourth quarter.
Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Short. Isa pa.
45
Ay!
seconds remaining time.
70-71 ang score.
22. Remaining time 45 seconds.
45 seconds
22
remaining.
First personal foul.
Isa pa. Uy! Wala pa. 71-70 ang score. Abanse ang Save More sila isa. Number 4 on the free throw line. Second attempt, wala. Ball for Save More.
40 seconds.
70-71. Isa abanse
Shot
sa Save
clock 15. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7,
3 points. Wala.
25
Rebound
seconds.
for
Shot clock
Save
14.
More. Basket.
20 seconds.
73-72. 70.
Time out for Price Gas.
Time out for Price Gas.
Price Gas may isa pa time out ang Save More ay na. 21 seconds remaining.
Alis. 21. 14 shot clock. 21.
ako to pre.
73-70 ang score, tatlo abanse. Sang save more, si Lai nakalaot. Manili lang sila nila.
Wala na ganda rato ang mga badminton sa lahat. Pagkakita ko lang.
21 seconds. Shot clock 14. 14 shot clock. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
There's a foul!
Remaining time 9 seconds. Foul number 22 second. Personal
Sudla na
foul.
nandaan.
9 seconds remaining time.
Wala.
Ito pa isang to?
Pwede to.
Basket!
9 seconds remaining time. May time out pang price gas ang pwesto ay na. Price gas may isa pa.
Reserve time out. Ah, 2 points na to. 73-71. Up!
8 seconds remaining time.
71-73 ang score. 8 seconds. Oh! Up! Up!
Hop, pang na, pangata.
Sadya, wait sila nga doon.
8 seconds remaining time.
Sila magaling natulog. $71-73.
7, 6,
There's a foul.
6 seconds remaining time. Foul number 11. Number 11, fourth personal foul.
74-73. Time out. 74-71. Sadya pa kami pang nila. Oh. Time out.
Time out. Rice gas.
Sadya pa oh. 74-71 ang score for Save More Silay.
6 seconds remaining time.
No.
Remaining time 6 seconds. 6 seconds remaining time.
6 seconds remaining. 41. Ay, 41 na lang kayo. 71-74 ang score for Save More Silay. Di po, tatrese na daan.
Wala mo isang rice gas, no?
Ano ka blue?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time!
Ay! Time! Final score, 74-71.
in favor of
Save More! Congratulations! Congratulations. Save more, Silay. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Bye, 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 bye,
Start the
bye,
game
bye,
number
bye, bye,
15.
bye.
for Save
Shout
More.
out, Kinisha. Oo. Shout out. Congratulations. Save more, Silay. Next game, Rusi versus Palawan Express. Thank you, thank you. Real live ako. Thank you so much.